Sushant Singh Rajput, not just an actor, but an inspiration to the millions and millions of people. A hard-working, genuine and genius human being who was always so excited and curious to do new things. I will not talk about how he died or what was his condition. I will talk about what we can learn from him. He wanted to be perfect in everything around him, everything he could do in his life: acting, cricket, education, dancing, astronomy, and everything. I believe becoming an actor was only his base through which he was about to fulfill all his dreams he wrote down in his list. He was going ahead step by step with a proper planning, and nothing was going to stop him. That man was so ground to earth. He used to reply his fans on social media. He was very nice to his fans, respected them and loved them. I'm pretty sure if he would have seen this video, he would have admired me as well. Such a humble gentleman he was. Talking about his interest in astronomy, he bought a piece of land on the moon and bought the most expensive telescope to have a look on his piece of land on the moon and other planets and stars in the solar system. Frankly speaking, he had interest in such things many of us never even heard or imagined about. Can you imagine a person with these ambitions and curiosity to know more can commit suicide? No, because he didn't. He donated 1 crore to a fan who wanted to donate money for Kerala flood but couldn't because he did not have the money. He personally handed over a check of rupees 1.25 crore to the Chief Minister of Nagaland when it was ravaged by flood in 2018. Did you guys know about it? I'm pretty sure many of you didn't, because unlike the so-called superstars, he was not that type of man who throws his mouth to the media about his spectacular deeds. And he did many things in his short period of life. If I start to discuss, this video will be of more than 2 hours. So what can you learn from him? Never forget where are you from. It doesn't matter who are you, what you have achieved or what you have become. Never ever forget where you started from. Be nice and kind to the people who deserve it. Help the needy. Fight your problems. Focus on your goal. Improve every day. Life is very short and we have got only one. Do not waste it. Live your life, not survive. At the end, I would really like to say, do not upset that he's gone. Be happy that he lived. If you like this video, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel. You can like, share and comment in this video. That will be very helpful for me. Rest in peace, Sushant. You will be missed.